Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video is a bit different. In this video I will be showing you how I achieve my boho braid style. All you really need is your ragtail comb, your jam to clean up the partings, and a scrunchie. Stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy this video. As the video goes on, you're going to notice that I'm going to change to a knotless method of braiding. I did the knotted braided for the first row and a little bigger because the back of her hair was short and I didn't want it to pull out before the other parts of the hair pulls out. So now I'm going to demonstrate how I do my knotless braid. You could just go ahead and braid like you're about to cornrow, or you could divide the hair into three, braid it once, then add your braiding hair. You could also braid twice and before adding your braiding hair, whatever it is that you want to do. And now we're towards the end. This is what the braids look like. It was so pretty, guys. Next time I will be sure to do a step-by-step tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.